Midnight thunder rolls and slow, pitter patter on my window. Cool breeze whispers through the trees. Soft rain makes the world at ease. Coffee mug in my left hand, watching drops fall on the land. Lazy cat on the old wood floor, rain taps out a cozy score. Drip, drop, tick-tock sounds like a song. Stay inside where we belong. Warm light, shadows that gently sway. Love you on this rainy day. Worn out book by candles glow, smiling faces that we show. Half a dream in this hazy light. Let's stay warm, warm all through the night. Out the window there's a silver sheet. Water pools around my feet. Umbrella spins in the cool gray mist. Nights like this just can't be missed. Drip, drop, tick-tock sounds like a song. Stay inside where we belong. Warm like shadows that gently sway. Love you on this rain.